Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be organizing the bottom of my sink. So I had bought some organizing bins at Sam's for $10. It was a 10-piece set, and so I need to organize the bottom of my sink. It doesn't look too terrible, honestly. I just want to reorganize it and get rid of some things, move things around, or maybe give some things away that did not work out for me. So basically what I have in the bottom of my sink is hair things, nail things, random things. So let's head on with today's video. So this is what the bottom of my sink looks like. It's not too terrible. See, I already have some things organized. I have a basket with all my hair tools. I have a basket with all my hair care stuff, some cleaning stuff, some random divider that I just stuck in there, some makeup bags that I am not using currently. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to see what is the best way to do this, like set up my camera to do this while you can still see me and kind of what I'm doing. But anyways, I'm gonna start off by getting or sectioning things, moving things. So I have some alcohol. I use these for my nails and for my budgeting things to erase my challenges, so that's why I have it down here. But I think I'm gonna put this in my bathroom closet instead. I had bought this divider. I think I got this at Dollar Tree if I'm not mistaken. I just threw it in here because I think I had this in the kitchen, and when I organized my kitchen stuff as well, I have that in there, and I just brought it in here. So I have a lot of hair products. I also have some tanning products in here. I do tan sometimes, it just depends. So we are gonna go through this basket and see what works well with my hair and what hasn't really worked well, but I still have in here. So I might give some of this stuff to my nieces and see if they want some of these hair products. The first one, I got this not too long ago. This is the Garnier Fructis Sleek Straightener. I'm gonna keep this because I just bought this, so I'm gonna set this aside. This is a must for me. It's the Moroccan Shine Oil by Garnier. Obsessed with this because I have really like frizzy hair, so I really do need this. I bought this at TJ Maxx, and this is like, I have hair on it. It's actually, because I think the bottle opened and it's oil, so of course it's gonna stick, hair is gonna stick to it. But I bought this at TJ Maxx. I love this stuff. It's an anti-freeze smoothing hair serum. Obsessed with it. It gives me great shine, and as you can see, I've used almost all of it. I only have like that much left, so I'm keeping that as well. I'm gonna be keeping, actually I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a Tresemme Smooth Dry Oil Spray, and basically it just makes your hair smell good and it's good for like adding shine to your hair. But I'm almost out, so I might as well just get rid of it. So I need to, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase, honestly, because I already used all the other stuff. I have a heat protectant from Tresemme. I don't really like this one, but this is all I have right now, and that's why I bought this one. But I'm only gonna I'm gonna use this up, and then I'm gonna repurchase a I think it's Gots to Be, no, it's one that I get at Sally's that I absolutely love. I have a Jergens Natural Glow lotion. I've had this for a long time. I'm actually gonna get rid of this one because I don't use it. I don't need it. I had bought these at Sam's, and honestly, this is a Sleek Coat Anti-Frizz Shield Ultimate Blowout. It is a heat protectant as well, but this is like when you blow dry your hair, like when you use the like I have the Revlon. I'll show you guys. I have the Revlon dryer, but you're supposed to use that with that, but I don't really like these, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these, so I'm just gonna set these to the side. I have lots of like tanning sprays. Summer is around the corner, and I'm definitely gonna use this. This is actually a an SPF, but it's like a bronzer at once. So I'm gonna separate, I won't keep that one, but I'm gonna separate it so I can have it with my tanning stuff. And then I have this Sublime Bronze tanning mousse, and I also have a mitt that I probably need to get another one or wash this one. But yeah, this is a coconut water vitamin E. It's a tan for that gives you a tan in like 4 to 8 hours. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna throw this away. I bought this Airbrush Sun, it's like a tanning lotion. It is orange, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. I don't know if it was this one. I need to see because I have two. I have the Airbrush legs, and then I have this one. So I need to see which one works better. And I'm gonna just keep it with my tanning stuff. And then I also have these, the foam, the Jergens Natural Glow foam. And so I'm gonna be setting that aside. And then I ordered this on Amazon. It is a tanning spray as well that you use with the mitt. It actually came with this. And I like this one. I like this one. And I will have this one linked down below in case you are interested. I like the tan that it gives. It lasts for a couple of days. But what I like about it is that when it comes off, it doesn't come off patchy. It comes off like more natural. So I will have this linked down below for you guys, and there's hair on it. Next is this John Frieda Frizzy's hair product. I'm gonna get rid of this because I bought this couponing a long time ago and I don't really use it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I have a hair clip. I've been looking. I have another one similar to this one, and I need to I think I got these at Dollar Tree. I am going to keep this one. I have a picture of my son in here when he graduated kindergarten. So I'm gonna separate those. I have some Pantene hairspray. I'm gonna be keeping this. I have more heat spray, the keratin. I'm gonna keep this one as well. I have an extra basket in here, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I have this color, what is this thing called to color your hair? I don't color I haven't done anything to my hair in a very long time. I don't color it. It's my natural color. And I don't think I'm going to be doing any DIY thing soon. And this is pretty affordable if I decide to one day do something to my hair. But in the meantime, I am not going to use it. I have some acetone. I'm going to keep that as well. I have this Lick and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to keep this as well. I have refill for my hand cleaner. I have this bag that I had bought at Dollar Tree, this makeup bag. I don't use it right now. I have a lot of makeup bags. I bought this bag for my coworker to do her, it was, what was it, Christmas gift? I did like a Christmas bath or Christmas thing, and I got her a lot of things. But anyways, this came inside like a bigger makeup bag, and so I gave her that and I put her name on it with the Cricut machine. And then I decided to keep all the other things so I could make gifts for other people, like, and then add stuff in here and like put their name. So that's why I have a lot of these and I don't use them. But I thought that these would be a good like gift idea one day, you know, give someone stuff these with like smaller things and then put their name on it. So I'm gonna be setting that aside. I have my basket with all of my hair stuff, and I'm planning on using one of the bigger baskets so that way I can see, but I'm not sure. So I definitely am gonna be keeping my Revlon, what is this? But I love this one, but this damages my hair so much. But I love the volume and the curl that it gives my hair. This, I forgot what this was called, but this is the brush dryer, I guess. I don't know, but I love it. And as you can see, I use it a ton. I need to clean it. It has like a whole bunch of like hairs and stuff. Oh, but love this one. I'm gonna keep that one for sure. I'm gonna keep, of course, my hair dryer. Something spilled in here and it's sticky, and I don't know what is in this basket, but oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be keeping my hair dryer. This is the only hair dryer that I got, and it's from Conair, I believe. I've had this for ages. All of my hair stuff I've had for ages. This one and only hair straightener that I got at Sally's years ago is what I currently use, and it still works perfectly fine. It was like $100 back then, which was a lot back then, but this works really well with my hair, so I'm gonna keep that one. I think I'm gonna get rid of this curler because I have the larger, I think this is 1 inch, and I have the 1.5 inch, and I don't really use this one. I have thick hair, and so I need the 1.5 inch better for my hair instead of like this smaller one. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. And then I have this, I'm gonna keep this one. This is the only curler of this type that I have, so I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I have another straightener that I am going to get rid of. I actually got this straightener. This is a Revlon straightener that I got couponing for like $10, but I am going to be giving this away. Well, ask my sister-in-law if my niece wants it, because she straightens out her hair. She has a lot of hair, so I'm gonna ask her if she wants it, and we'll get rid of this. I have this Thirsty Ends Milk Water Serum. It's from Pantene. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't need it, and it's almost done anyways. I have this Smooth Criminal blowout balm. I'm gonna be keeping this one. As you can see, I already used like that much of it, and it's the Beyond the Zone heat spray that I was talking about that I get at Sally's for my heat protectant. I love that one, so I'm gonna keep this one. I have a comb in here that I'm gonna get rid of. It's like old and nasty. I have some trash bags in here, and I think I got these from Dollar Tree. So that is it for my basket. So I do have a lot of like makeup bags that I keep down here. Some came with some of the purses that I bought, like I bought a purse and this came in there. So I have a lot of like little bags, and this was from a gift set that my dad got, and I had been using this for my work little bag, and I kept a lot of the stuff that you saw in the last video in there, like some wipes and some toothpaste. I bought this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna throw it away. I don't need it. Let's see. I have this another makeup bag. I have this bag right here that I use for traveling a lot, and I used to keep all my makeup in here. I probably just, you know what, I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of it. I've had it for a long time. It's been loved, it's been used. I'm gonna get rid of it. I have those other plastic ones, and I have this one as well. This one, a coworker of mine got me this with a lot of like little things in here for I think it was a gift exchange that we had. I'm gonna be keeping that one since I threw the other one away. And then this is my diffuser for my dryer, so I'm gonna be keeping that. I'm gonna be keeping this because this is what I use for when we do travel. I keep all my hair stuff in here, and then it comes with like attachments, so I'm gonna be keeping this as well. Okay, and I have some nail stuff in here. I have my gel polishes. I haven't done my nails in a very long time. Well, it seems like it anyway. So I have some nail stuff that I want to keep in one organizing bin. I have a headband. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get rid of it. It doesn't work as well as the other acetone. I have a couple of these bottles to put alcohol in, and I think I'm gonna keep one, get rid of one. I have this small basket. I have my nail lamp in here, and I need to organize my nail stuff as well. I experimented with dip powder nails or dip nails, and so I have a whole bunch of colors. You know what, all I need to do is order the base and the top coat or the activator, and I think that's what I'm gonna do, so that way I can do. The only thing is when you take them off, it's like a whole process, but I guess if I have time I can do it. So I am going to be putting this aside and organize that. And then the last thing that I have is my little polish remover. You put your nails in there and let them soak my soak boxes, or what are these called? Soak, nail soak, I don't know. Anyways, I have these. I need to organize these as well. Okay, I found this leftover liner from when I did my kitchen stuff, my kitchen organizing. I don't think it's gonna be enough, but in the meantime, I can use this and then get some more. I forgot to like get some, and yeah, it's not gonna be, it's barely gonna cover like half. I need like another half, so I'm just gonna put this in this front end, and then when I go to Walmart, I'll have to remind myself to get a new row. So